In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TR4722 all-in-one printer. Switch on the printer. Now the ink cartridge is in the front. You will see the Canon is written here. So this is like this. So open this one and the last one. The ink cartridges will move and come to the middle. Press the lock down and take the ink cartridge out. Do it with the both ink cartridges. Now take your new ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging. Install the color on the color side. So slide it in and push the lock up. Slide it in and push the lock up. Close this lock. This is the paper output tray. You can leave it out. Once you see the copy on the screen, that means your printer is ready for the print. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.